another video. We out here driving out in the country because we about to go see somebody we know because we are here it is. To go to H Day, and we are at our destination. If you've seen my videos before, you will recognize where we're at very shortly. We have returned Kyle. So Kyle has been restoring this Captiva Blue Pearl Civic SI. Slowly but surely. It's dusty, but it's been completely repainted. Finally got the fresh moldings in.
And no, that's not the power steering reservoir I'm running. For everybody that's gonna say, you should change the reservoir.
You're just restoring it, so
yeah,
you're not
it's
done.
Not like a absolute nut and bolt, but
whose dog is that? What do you think?
So pretty.
This thing's gonna have not the Z6.
No. Yeah.
It's gonna have JDM GSR.
You know, I got like an early block steering tank manifold I'll be putting on it, so it doesn't have the typical.
You just need a C, like a C5, C6 manifold.
This looks just like it. AC, power steering. I mean, it'll look OEM.
Yeah. What lip you gonna put on this thing?
It's OEM for right now.
Oh, you get that nice little carbon spoon on there. But man, the paint came out so nice on it.
As rough as this car was, yeah. Beautiful.
So everybody wants to know where's the Type R.
Rotting out back right now.
Hasn't had time to get to it yet.
Was to get the car in my possession.
Right.
Before I went somewhere else.
It's after this one. Once he finishes this one. Take open.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, I got you.
Oh yeah, let's see it.
Yeah, shiny there. That's not wet. That's literally hardened gas.
What?
Ethanol and everything on it.
Jesus.
So you can really turn this over and the intake valves will just stay and it'll slowly come back.
Old gas, bruh. Old gas. You don't want that.
Yeah. That's what was wrong with the Del Sol when I picked it up.
Take it down the road and just like hold the throttle down for a while.
It probably would work. I'm not taking it.
What? It's called, they call that an Italian tune-up. Then we have Brennan's EM1, which was put together at Import Alliance, and now it's getting taken apart. Apparently somebody smashed some gears up with all that torque.
Yeah, I wonder who with that nice K-tune shifter that was in the previous car.
Yeah. Out here in Honda Heaven right now, Kyle's restoration garage.
Shout out to Mark for the AC fix.
So Kyle had the same AC problems I did in the my DA.
Yep.
ECU wouldn't trigger the compressor.
Yep.
And then this bad mofo, I got to get it in the sun because that shade ain't working. This looks so good, all dumped out on slips.
Yellow and black, man.
Look at that. You want that curse?
So far, it hasn't.
Open the interior. Let's see the interior. Oh, here's what's amazing about this car. Are you ready for this?
Car, keep in mind.
Look at this.
Yeah.
The climate control's intact.
That's worth what I paid for the car.
I know.
I mean, look, there's like no fading on the rear plastic or anything.
Boy, this thing on a fresh paint job be hard in the yard. Hard in the yard. Look at this thing. Look, Kyle's going to take offers on this. This thing runs.
It is?
Yeah, he's going to take offers on it. Thing's straight as hell. Straight as hell. It's a 92. It's got a black non-airbag dash. Just got a little cancer in the quarters. That's it. DM him offers. It's straight. It's dirty, but it's straight as hell.
I really haven't even cleaned the car.
Oh my god. Look at the door panels. She clean. It's only got how many? 358,000?
Yeah. Well, we gotta start this thing right now.
Yeah, go ahead with the all-wheel. Let's go ahead and start it up, cuz. Everything here runs. Ooh. That's what you need. Oh my god. Go ahead with it. She rusted out in the quarters though.
Yeah, this thing is rotten in the back.
That Camilla red though?
Yep.
What's the wrong with this one again? Doesn't this have rust or something?
No, just got plans for it.
Oh, that's right. You're gonna do something with this one. Oh yeah. Especially, dude, this color fresh is so nice. Another blue hatch.
Yeah, that one runs too. What you call it? Copart size.
Shit. Oh my god. That thing hard. I don't know how you drive it that slammed out with these roads around here.
I ain't slammed You don't
That's
remember
not
where I came
slammed.
from.
That's not slammed out.
Okay.
All right, send your offers into Kyle.
Chill.
This one's, you don't want to let it go, but. Okay, well, you might want to go park in the shade.
Look how clean it is.
Oh my gosh, that's what you want. How much?
Hey, who got mud flaps for me? No, I ain't paying $350
For the rear mud flaps?
No, front. You can get
Oh, the
right
fronts I think you can get.
now.
I tell you who has them. Static has them. He won't give them up though. Dude, EF guys be hoarding some stuff. Oh, we gonna take the damn dumped out, low riding CRX out on the street.
What you talking about?
Boy, she need that alignment.
It is a line.
Is it?
Yeah.
We out here. Although, so me and Kyle have been driving. We're not sure if this is a DX Trans in here or not. Feels a little long. I'm not sure.
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know in the comments below. Is this D-Series SI Trans or no? Does not feel like it. But this car, boy, nothing like a CRX. We cruising down the road though. It's a gorgeous day for it.
Yeah, it really is.
Golly, man, that's nothing like a CRX.
This is my first car, was a CRX. I went fucking 10 years without driving one. So to get back in this one, feel good.
But that we could probably.
It's a straightaway right after this turn.
I mean, that's third. Like, we're not even near. You know. DX trannies.
Screaming though.
She got torque steer though. Zoom, zoom. Jeez. So pretty though. I know, that right there is worth every penny. I don't even want to touch it or get near it.
I know every time I turn the fan on, I'm like
Just
real
like,
easy with it.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. I'm just just driving a little bit. Power steering, yeah, power steering's working, right?
No, it's manual.
Oh, that might be why. She does pull pretty hard. But it's aligned. I mean, there might be something up with it, but it really just... I remember the CRX Trans were so short, the SI ones.
Yeah.
This guy behind us is like on our ass. He's probably like, does he got a turbo? Excuse me, sir, we might throw a piston at you.
Damn, when the fuck did I cut all this shit down?
Sorry about the wind, but we're out here driving Kyle's gorgeous 90 CRX SI. We're gonna get a couple beauty shots. So we're driving around. It's a classic for sure. So it's a true 90s classic, of course. How can you not love this car? I want to take it home right now, but he won't let me. She got a clogged catalytic converter. We're just gonna leave it in third gear, you know? A sounds good though. The handle's good. Like, it doesn't matter that it's slow. It's fun. Nobody cares.
Sounds cool for the
It's like you get in a 700 horsepower car. It's like, oh god, we're gonna fucking die. It's like the stakes are real. Strap in.
This is better than dance. You keep going.
Oh shoot. So I just left Kyle's house. Big thank you to Kyle for letting me drive his CRX and his VTI. To sum up, the CRX feels like you would expect, old school car, you know, but just super fun, comfortable actually, and you know, it definitely has that old school feel. Big thanks to Kyle for letting me drive him. Really enjoyed it. Had a blast on these back roads, just kicking around. If you want to follow Kyle, his name's on the screen, Golden Built Kyle, and keep up with his stuff. Can't wait for him to finish the Captiva Blue Hatch. So I'm really looking forward to that, and that's going to have a JDM GSR engine in it. So look forward to that one. So I hope you guys like this video. So we're going to wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go hit thedragonspec.com, pick up a sunglass or shift knob bundle, and that'll get you registered for the giveaway. We're giving first place is the 57 DR 15x8 plus 35 in mag blue raised gram lights, shipped to you, or $1,500. So, and then there's a bunch of other prizes which we've talked about before. But go to the website thedragonspec.com to find out more info. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out!